So, and they actually head up the Borneo mission. It's one of the roles he has, his chair of the Borneo mission group. How could you get that? I mean, most people on the Isle of Man don't know where Andreas is, you know. So he was here this morning. Okay, folks, those of us who want to go out to see the aircraft, we'll just gather here. I think take about 12, and then there'll be another group afterwards. So don't press it. I'd just like to hold a lifeline to a lot of the communities served by these aircraft. They are our Ben McCree. They bring in the freight, they bring in the personnel, they deal with medical emergencies. And they always operate with small planes, but they go to more places than British Airways do. Usually they're using aircraft that have been adopted. They were built for other purposes, so, leisure aviation, and then adapted. But this aircraft is the first number 20 in a new production line of aircraft purpose designed for bush aviation. She can carry up to 8 people, but the rear load bay can be reconfigured in any format, so you can either have 8 people or any number, as long as you have the 2 pilot seats, and usually one of those has a pilot in it. Okay. The other problem with the small aircraft is they use piston engines, and piston engines need an aviation spirit called avgas, which is very expensive, but in some parts of the world almost impossible to get. This aircraft uses jet fuel, which is readily available and a third the price. So when she goes into service, she'll have a longer range, a greater payload, and she'll be much easier to maintain and operate. It's very rare that MAF actually managed to see an aeroplane, so it's great privilege that we can see her on the runway today. And you'll see that the registration even salutes the Isle of Man. 1997 was the year our company moved to the Isle of Man, and the donation is in celebration of our 25th anniversary in total. But you've seen 9710M, it actually looks like Isle of Man. So let's go now.
Oh, if you just put your foot on there, put your 2 feet on there, we'll hold you. There we are. You got it. I've got you. There you are.